Are you building ENERGY STAR certified homes? Great, then watch this short presentation to get you started with the latest improvements to the program called Revision 8. We'll cover 3 topics. First, the top changes you need to be aware of as a builder. Second, the updated process for certifying a home and the role you'll play. And third, next steps including additional resources to help you succeed. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the top changes you need to be aware of in Revision 8. The first change has to do with the water management system. As a builder, you'll still be responsible for meeting these requirements just like today. What has changed is the documentation process. You'll no longer have to fill out a checklist for each certified home, nor will the rater have to collect any documentation for this system. Most of the work required to certify a home is completed by your HVAC contractor and your home energy rater. Next, we'll highlight some of the biggest changes for them, which should in turn make certification even easier for you. For HVAC designers, we've moved their design requirements to a one-page report called the HVAC Design Report, reduced the amount of design documentation they need to provide, and clarified several key design policies. If you're involved with the HVAC design process, you'll want to watch the video for HVAC designers. For HVAC contractors, we've moved all of the commissioning requirements to the HVAC commissioning checklist and streamlined their tasks. Most importantly, room-by-room air balancing is now recommended rather than required. In addition, raters and builders will be permitted, but not required, to collect the HVAC commissioning checklist for the home to be certified. In addition to reducing paperwork collection for the rater, we've also reduced the number of inspection items that the rater must complete, especially during final inspection. Let's highlight just 3 of these. The sound limit for intermittent bath fans is now recommended rather than required, unless the bath fan is part of a whole house ventilation system. The tolerances for measuring whole house ventilation airflow have been increased in most cases. And a higher bedroom pressure balancing limit of 5 pascals instead of 3 has been added for rooms with a design airflow above 150 CFM. Now, let's move on to the process for certifying a home and the role you'll play as a builder. It's nearly identical to the process today. First, you'll develop the house plans and options and provide these to the HVAC contractor and rater. Next, you'll work with the rater to select energy efficiency features to meet the ENERGY STAR HERS index target. Meanwhile, the HVAC designer can complete their design work. After this, you will proceed with building the home. Throughout the process, the rater and HVAC contractor will be responsible for completing their tasks. As a builder, you'll be responsible for constructing the home to meet the water management system builder requirements. When the rater has completed all of their tasks, the home can then be certified. Altogether, the changes in Revision 8 should result in lower costs, especially due to reduced callbacks and delays, less hassle for you and your trades, even better alignment with the HERS rating process, and a continued effort to improve the performance and reduce the cost of HVAC systems. This should give you a head start on Revision 8. Now let's talk about next steps. Get the Revision 8 program documents by downloading them from EPA's website, in particular, the Water Management System Builder requirements. Review Revision 8 with your home energy rater to understand what's changed. Most importantly, attend an upcoming webinar. There's much more to learn about Revision 8. And ask questions by writing to us here. Thanks for watching and for your support of the ENERGY STAR program.